Hello. In this example, I want to use synthetic division to divide 5x cubed minus 6x squared minus 28x minus 2 all over x plus 2. Synthetic division is nice because I don't have to do long division anymore when you're dividing by x minus k. Now this is important because x minus a number, if you remember from your transformations, if it's associated with the x, you change the sign to get the value that you move to the right, effectively. So down here, this x plus 2 is actually the same thing as x minus negative 2. So really, my k value in this case is actually negative 2. So I'm going to take that negative 2, and I like to use an upside down division symbol. Now, what I'm going to put inside the box here is not this entire thing, but I'm going to put the coefficients, starting with the highest degree term. Degree 5 has, or excuse me, degree 3 term has a coefficient of 5. Degree 2 term has a coefficient of negative 6. Degree 1 term has a coefficient of negative 28. And the degree 0 term has a coefficient of negative 2. Now notice, if I was missing this x squared term, I would still need to account for it down here by putting a 0 for a placeholder for that degree. Okay, here's how synthetic division works. You take this 5 and you bring it down, and you just write it down right there. Now, this number always multiplies whatever number you get down here. So you're going to multiply negative 2 times 5. And negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Then you add negative 6 minus 10 is negative 16, or negative 6 plus negative 10 is negative 16. And then you multiply again. So negative 2 times negative 16 is positive 32. And again you add negative 28 plus 32 is 4. And negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. And you add again, that gives you negative 10. And I like to put my last number in kind of a box by itself. This right here is the remainder. Okay. What this tells me is that 5x cubed minus 6x squared minus 28x minus 2 all over x plus 2. Well, these numbers here are all coefficients, just like all of these numbers were coefficients as well. Now, this was degree 3, which meant I had 4 numbers. This is going to be 3 numbers, so going up an extra, that means, going down 1 means this is going to be degree 2. In other words, a degree 3 divided by degree 1 gives you a degree 2. Another way of looking at this last term is a term that does not have x. And then that was a plus 4 there. Now this negative 16, we need to go up a degree. And then this 5, we need to go up a degree again. So this is another way you can get 5x squared minus 16x plus 4. But remember, I have this remainder, so I need to add on. Now up here is just the remainder divided by your divisor of x plus 2. And this is how you synthetically divide.